Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlists on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of gold USD. As you can see, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. So this is the 4 hours chart of gold USD. As we all know, after the FOMC meeting, market became very volatile. Currency pairs like Euro USD, gold USD, GBP USD saw heavy selling pressure, whereas currency pairs like USD CAD, USD CHF saw extremely buying pressure. This whole volatility came in a market when the US dollar became extremely strong. This is the chart of US dollar, and as you can see, this is a daily chart. Okay, and if you look at the chart, then you can easily understand that US dollar was coming down. Okay, it was coming down, but after this particular price level, when the meeting, after the meeting, okay, there was a big jerk in the market. Dollar became extremely strong, and you can just see these candles. Okay, just look at the price size of these candles and just imagine that impact on the market. Okay, as a result, we saw heavy selling pressure in currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and we saw extremely buying pressure on USD CAD, USD CHF. And if you look at this particular chart of US dollar index, then you can see that the overall structure of the market tells us that yes, US dollar is extremely bullish right now, and it will be going up, okay, until and unless it reaches this particular resistance 93.35 level. It will be on the up run, okay, because right now it is extremely bullish. It will go up to reach this particular level. Until and unless market does not reach 93.35 level, we cannot expect US dollar to go down that easily. So things are not very good for Euro USD, GBP USD, and gold USD as well. So this is the 4 hours chart, and let me take you to the 1 day chart. Okay, dollar was getting stronger, and see, dollar made a U pattern and gold USD made a V pattern. No, sorry, inverted U pattern. What I'm saying, inverted U pattern. And as I always say, for a trend reversal, okay, for a trend reversal, we always need an inverted V, a pattern like this. I have already shown in my previous videos. And here we not only have the inverted V, we have an inverted U. So things have changed. Almost all the support levels were collapsed during this free fall in this present week. So things have changed in every currency pair. Okay, and things have changed for gold USD as well. Okay. And this is the daily time frame, and you can see that in the daily time frame also, market tried to go up. Okay, the price could not sustain. Selling pressure was so high that price came down, and in the daily chart, market formed a shooting star pattern, and this kind of a pattern generally suggests that selling pressure will be there, will be continued. Okay, and if I take you to the weekly chart, okay, in the weekly chart also you can see that this picture is same. In the weekly chart also we have a big fat red candle that we have not seen in months. And there was a support level on the weekly chart at 1807 level, and right now we are trading much below the support level. So support levels on every time frame is not valid. Okay, every time frame support level on it, every time frame is broken right now. So let's switch to our favorite 4 hours time frame and see. Okay, and right now we can see that okay, market is trying to hold a position here. Okay, Market is trying to hold its position at this price level. Okay. Okay, so this is kind of acting as support for the market, because see, when price, after the retracement on Friday, when price started going down, and unlike other currency pairs, price did not fall sharply, rather it took support and there was some price rejection from below. And we can see that, okay, there was some kind of support in previous instances also. So right now market has got some support at this price level. Yes, we know it very well that almost all the support levels are gone right now. Okay, but still gold USD is trying to take support at this price level. So what should be a strategy then on Monday? So after the market opening on Monday, we should not trade right away. Okay, let the market open on Monday and just try to observe the price and see how the price reacts. Okay, because see, after this kind of a volatility or this kind of a turmoil in the market, okay, we should give some time to the market to settle down. Okay, because see, as I've already mentioned, almost everything is gone. Okay, every levels are gone right now. Okay, we do not have any particular level. Okay, but still in gold USD, okay, we have one support level here. Therefore, let the market open on Monday and just observe the price. Okay, if you see that the same selling pressure is there in the market, okay, if you see some good selling pressure, again with good amount of volume, yes, volume is extremely required, because if price is the king, then volume is the queen. Okay, so if you see good selling pressure on Monday as well, then you can short the market. But if you're looking for a safe position on gold USD, then it will be better to short the market at the retracement. Because see, market never falls like this, or market never goes up also like this. Okay, market always move in a zigzag pattern. Here also you can see that before the fall, market went up a little. Okay, so let the market open on Monday and just see if price starts going upside. Okay, then let it go. Okay, let it go. Okay. And just keep your eyes in the stochastic RSI. Okay, keep your eyes in the stochastic RSI. If stochastic RSI reaches the overbought zone and starts going down, okay, just observe the price. Try to read the market emotion. If you see that selling pressure is there in the market, if you see that bulls are still absent in the market, or they do not have the required strength to take the price upward, you can short the market. Okay, once you see that market is in overbought zone. And the second trading opportunity in gold USD is, yes, I am not a big fan of Fibonacci. I do not use much, but gold USD is somewhat following the Fibonacci pattern. Okay, we can see a retracement of 61.8% here. Okay, right now market is standing at 61.8% here. Okay, and if you want to short the market at the pullback or retrace, then what you need to do, you can also draw a Fibonacci pattern like this in your trading platform. Okay, when market will be going up, okay, and it, once it hits the level, okay, Fibonacci level, and starts going down, you can short the market. Okay, let's assume market falls sharply after the market opening. Okay, wait for the pullback, wait for the market to retrace. Okay, when the market will retrace, look at the Fibonacci level. Okay, look at the Fibonacci level, and when the market will reach the Fibonacci or will go down again after the retracement, you can short the market. Okay, so you can also draw this Fibonacci level on gold USD chart. So these are the two trading opportunities looking at the present condition of the market. Do not think about buying, because right now the market is under the dominance of these sellers. Okay, so be with the trend, stay with the trend, and only short the market at the pullback. You can either draw a Fibonacci pattern like this and short the market at the retracement, or wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone. When it will be going down again, you can short the market. So these are the two best trading opportunities in gold USD chart right now. So hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much all.